Welcome to Auto Luxury, your trusted source for the latest automotive updates. Today, we take a look at the 2025 Mahindra Jeeto, a compact commercial vehicle designed for efficiency, durability, and affordability. Mahindra has revamped the Jeeto to meet the needs of small business owners and urban transporters, making it an ideal choice for last-mile deliveries. The 2025 Mahindra Jeeto comes with a refreshed design featuring a bold front grille, stylish headlights, and a sturdy bumper. Its compact size ensures easy maneuverability through narrow city streets, while the improved aerodynamics enhance fuel efficiency. The vehicle sits on durable steel wheels and offers a strong chassis built to handle heavy loads. Under the hood, the new Jeeto is powered by a fuel-efficient 670cc single-cylinder diesel engine, producing 20 horsepower and 48 Nm of torque. For those looking for a greener option, Mahindra has also introduced a CNG variant with enhanced mileage. Both versions are paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, ensuring smooth and reliable performance. The vehicle offers an impressive payload capacity of up to 750 kilograms, making it ideal for transporting goods efficiently. Inside the cabin, Mahindra has focused on driver comfort and practicality. The ergonomic seats provide adequate support for long hours of driving, while the digital instrument cluster offers essential driving information. The dashboard is designed with ample storage compartments, and the steering is light, making city driving effortless. Safety features include a reinforced cabin structure, seat belts, and an optional driver airbag. The improved suspension setup ensures a stable and comfortable ride, even on rough roads. Mahindra has also introduced an electric variant of the Jeeto for eco-conscious businesses, offering a range of up to 120 kilometers on a single charge. The 2025 Mahindra Jeeto is expected to be priced between 4.50 lakh rupees and 5.80 lakh rupees, depending on the variant and fuel type. For more updates on the latest commercial and passenger vehicles, stay tuned to Auto Luxury.